Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 20. Oh my god, y'all, 20. We have 5 more days of Vlogmas. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nichole. For those who do not know, I'm a little bit cheery this morning because I had lots of rest. And by lots, I mean at least 6 hours of sleep. And I've been up for a while getting some things on my to-do list from yesterday tackled. I did have a little mini meltdown yesterday, but I'm better today. I am better, and we are tackling the to-do list. My mom is actually on her way here. So yeah, we're gonna get that done, start hitting this to-do list, and then I am gonna film another video because I think it's Patricia asked to see like the Christmas shirts and where I got them, and I was like, oh, that's the perfect little sit down video in between us traveling tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna film that today too, and then might take Cole to an event this evening, evening. So yeah, let's get going. Hey guys, all right, so we are out the house. We are on our way to Sam's and HEB. I need to get you know, our stuff for our Christmas dinner, and then just stuff in general that we need to have for people being in the house. I think I need, I don't know if we decided on the pink lemonade with the Sprite. I think we did, so I have to pick up pink lemonade. So I talked to my mom and my grandma this morning while I was getting stuff done while Cole was asleep. So we finalized like whatever I need to get at the store and what we already have. So that's why I'm heading now to get the remaining items. It's not a lot. I'm going to fill up the car so that it could be gassed up and ready to go. And then I'm heading back home. I took the longest nap. My mom took Cole and was like, I'm going to ride him. He's going to go to sleep, and we're gonna take a nap and take a break. And I was like, if y'all take a break, I'm taking a break, because we did all of the outside. Like, I mowed the yard, I made sure the lights were back up, fixed the decor. Y'all saw it. Like, we did everything outside. Cleaned the patio. I mean the patio. Cleaned the patio. And so I did all of that. It took me a Benadryl so I don't have to go back outside. And so now I'm getting the groceries. I'm going back home. I want to film my video tonight, but then that means I kind of have to like get kind of cutesy done up. Is that what that means? Or do I just do it regular vlog style, how I do the rest of my videos? I don't know. I don't mind coming on camera without makeup. It's just thumbnail purposes. It looks a little bit more put together when you know, have yourself put together. But I don't really care either way. I like being done up, but I also don't like doing makeup for the sake of a video just to wash it back off. So I do want to do that video though, so I can get it out the way and have this one edited, that one edited, and then when we get on the road tomorrow, I don't have to worry about a video going live, because we're going to leave early, but we want to do an outing tomorrow for Cole, and then Monday my outing I think is going to be Kidzania. So I'm not going to have any time to be editing, and I don't want to mess up our 20-day streak. I cannot believe we've been vlogging for 20 days straight. Not going to lie, y'all. Your girl is, I'm not necessarily tired of editing, but there got to a point where I was like, I am bored with this, because I feel like I did not have enough content pre-prepped that I would be able to, like, you know, skip days of vlogging, and like I told her before, like I feel like my life is kind of boring. Like I do the same thing every day. So I got to the point where I was like, I have no ideas. Like there's nothing to do. And like now I have the whole day. Like Saturdays, literally my best vlogging days because I'm out the house. I'm doing things all day. I can get the videos up early. So there were a couple of times I almost quit because I was like, there was a couple of points where I was like, I'm about to quit because there's not much going on throughout my days. So the vlogging would happen late in the evening. Therefore, editing always happened late in the evening, and I would be up late, you guys. Late, trying to make sure the vlog was edited, the thumbnails, and thumbnails are the hardest for me. Editing is nothing. Like, I love editing. But coming up with thumbnails is so hard, and so, like, you have to think about it. And I'm not a picture person, so I don't think to snap pictures and think of creative thumbnails till the end of the video, and then I'm struggling. So yeah, that's been like the hardest part of Vlogmas, is being able to keep up with the demand of the vlogs, and editing late at night, editing early in the morning. It definitely threw off like my workouts, and I also like had to give up like TV and different things like that. Like a lot of nights where I would like watch 10 minutes of TV because I needed to edit, and the editing took at least an hour to 2 hours. Sometimes it would go fast depending on how fast my computer would go, but hour to 2 hours just to edit and then think of a thumbnail while it's exporting and, you know, stuff like that. So I definitely have sacrificed TV time, which is fine. Typically when I need to edit, I sacrifice TV time, and I probably need to watch less TV than what I do, but it's literally my guilty pleasure. You know what I mean? Like, I just wind down at night with a good TV show. So yeah, I did watch a couple more holiday movies today, like early in the morning, while I was wrapping gifts. I put on, what movie was it? It's kind of similar, not, okay, rewind. It's not similar, but the idea of having like a series going with the movies, like Merry Little Christmas, but this one was Marry Me for Christmas, I think, like that, where the girl like fakes being engaged for Christmas and brings a guy home. But then there's another one because she ends up getting married and having a baby. Then there's another one where the family goes like on vacation. So it's kind of like Merry Little Christmas, where they have a few of them. I definitely would rewatch Merry Little Christmas. I love that one. And then Meet Me at Christmas, I rewatched that one. Love that one. But yeah, we are in line for gas. I actually don't know what side her, oh, it's on this side. Okay, we're on the right side. We're getting gas, then we're gonna head into Sam's HEB, and we might catch up a little bit tonight. I do definitely want to go ahead and get this vlog up. I still haven't packed, so we might pack in the next vlog and go through my Christmas shirt stash, because I don't have I don't really want to like put myself together, you know. I don't want to do that. Not right now, especially because I feel itchy and nasty, y'all. When I was mowing that yard, when I tell you, your girl was struggling, fighting for her life. I was fighting. The dirt was like getting in my throat. I was coughing and wheezing. I was like, oh my God. And it's never really been that bad. I have cut my mom's backyard and front yard ever since I could remember. And it has never been this bad. So I don't know what's in the air, but it's not agreeing with me. Guys, I'm home. We're gonna do a quick grocery haul, and then we're gonna end the vlog here so I can edit this bad boy and get it up tonight. We definitely went over our typical budget, but that's because it's the holidays, we have family coming, plus I had to get some like bulk items that I don't typically get weekly. So yeah, and then I made sure I got items that like other people like I don't typically buy orange juice, but my grandparents love orange juice. Cole will drink it if it's in the house, but if it's just he and I feel like we typically waste it when we get a big one. So anyways, first things first is orange juice. Got us some milk. Next, I got a small creamer of the French vanilla. I typically get a big one like this. This one's for my mom. She needed some at her house, so she's just gonna leave a little bit here because during the holidays, she stays with me instead of going back and forth to her house. So she got a big one. She's gonna take some home, leave some here. The reason I got a small one of my French vanilla is because I tried this International Delight Classic Cinnamon Roll creamer the last time I went to the grocery store, and I absolutely loved it. So I got a small one of both of those because I wanted to have 2 different kinds this time. I also got some sweet potatoes, got Cole some pizzas because he will be home, and that's just something quick we could pop in the oven that he loves. Got some eggs. This was not on our Christmas dinner list, but what I also realized is past Christmas dinner, we need food because the people that are coming over, we're probably gonna eat up all the food. And last time, like, I don't know what happened, but like my cousin came over and her kids came over and her husband and stuff, and I ended up frying chicken wings as like a snack to have. So I got us some chicken wings. I got some onions, tomatoes. My grandpa loves eating tomatoes with just about anything. And I got some bell peppers. I also got another can of Rotel. I'm gonna make us some cheese dip as like a snack for Christmas Eve because we probably won't want to eat heavy, and we typically stay up late and we snack, which is why I also got some more pet milk. I got some unsalted and salted butter. I got some glory greens. My granny says she ain't making greens and I don't know how, so if I want greens, that's how I'm gonna have to get them. I got her some Dove bars. I got some whipped cream for Cole's hot chocolate. You guys, when I tell y'all they sent him with the works, he has like a cookie cutter little thing to make gingerbread cookies. He has a bunch of hot chocolate toppings. They filled my baby up, and it's all the people who work with him. Like, I'm like, guys, he has stuff, and they wanted him to have the works though, so he has a bunch of stuff. Pouches for Cole. I got me some bagels. The thin bagels are my favorite bread. This is the bread that I like, and my aunt uses this kind too, and I noticed when we go to her house, everybody eats this one up, so I got this in case somebody like wants to make sandwiches or something. So I got some rotisserie chicken, got some cream cheese. Just got another bag of cheese because we're running low on cheese. Small bag of sugar, small bag of flour. It feels like when my grandma comes, we run out of these things really quickly. So I have some in the cabinet, but I'm telling y'all, when she gets here, stuff goes fast. I just got some ready to eat bacon because all of a sudden Cole has been wanting bacon and I don't cook bacon like that. Also, I did my typical monthly stock up for Capri Suns because Cole was out, so I will end up sending 2 to my mom's house, keep 2 here. But also if little kids come, which they will because my cousin's kids literally around the corner, I want easy juices. Cole typically drinks like apple juice in his cup. These are more for school, but I wanted to go ahead and get some for company. I got me some Mr. Clean Magic Erasers from Sam's because Cole has scuffed up my walls, and so while I'm here on break, I'm just gonna go around wiping my walls. Got us some more Dawn soap. Got a big thing of paper towels and a big thing of water. And that is everything we got. So I actually bought more stuff for the holidays, but I had already purchased it, like rice and different things like that. We already had it here, so I didn't have to get too much. My grandma is bringing our turkey wings and she's making dressing, so I didn't have to do all of that. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for another great Vlogmas day. You guys, I cannot believe we have completed 20 days. It is crazy. When I first started this and we got to like day 5, I was like, there's no way we're gonna make it to 25 days. And here we are, day 20. Thank y'all so much for joining us. If you are new, I'm so happy you are here. If you are not subscribed, friend, feel free to subscribe. We just have real life moments over here and we have fun. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.